Good morning. My name is Ben Holdread, part of the Surveyor sales team. I'm here with you today to give you the exclusive first look at this new lightweight Murphy bed bunkhouse by Surveyor, 240 BHLE. You guys, this floor plan is under 26 feet overall length. That is the sweet spot of the market right now. Not only that, it's under 5,000 pounds. What does that mean? That means it can be towed by the majority of vehicles on the road. It's got some incredible selling features. Let's get into it. First thing I want to talk to you guys about is our new drop frame. For the first time ever, we're putting a drop frame in a travel trailer. This is going to give you guys two incredible selling features. The first thing I want to talk about is increased pass-through storage. I'm talking about 50 cubic feet of pass-through storage. What you guys have to understand, this is almost double the capacity we had before. This is going to be a huge selling advantage against our competition. It will be industry-leading pass-through storage and something customers notice immediately when they step on the lot. All right, guys, before we head inside, I want to show you our newly designed outside kitchen. This is a standard feature on the 240 BHLE. We really put a lot of time into this kitchen. We really wanted to maximize the storage, and I think we did that here. You've got a ton of storage, but the nice thing is you still get the 2-burner cooktop, you get a sink, hot and cold water, you even get a mini fridge and a bottle opener. We really put some thought into this, guys. It's a great selling feature on this trailer. Now let's go inside, and I'll show you the new Murphy bed. We are inside the brand new 240 BHLE. Before I do an overall walk around to the inside of the unit, I want to talk about the top selling feature in this floor plan, our newly designed Murphy bed system. You guys, our team has worked extremely hard over the past 6 months developing what we believe is going to be a superior Murphy bed in this industry. I'm going to demonstrate how to put the bed up and down for you guys, but before I get into it, I want to talk about some other selling features that are incredible inside this unit. We've got a jackknife sofa here, but what I want you guys to notice is what we did underneath. We went the extra mile and put 2 oversized drawers inside this unit. Hardwood fronts, oversized grab handles, metal drawer guides, a ton of storage. You guys, this is really deep storage. You can fit a ton of items in here. Customers are going to love this. Big time selling advantage for us. Not a lot of brands are putting storage underneath the sofa. Safety latch here, very easy to use. When the bed's in the down position, it locks in, very simple. Standard jackknife, like I said before, lay it down, the latch up top, very easy to use, extremely smooth. The bed lays down, very easily locks into place. What I want to talk about next is the Murphy bed itself. You guys, this is a 60 by 80 true residential Murphy bed. This is not a folding mattress. This is not a 74-inch bed. This is a 60 by 80 residential mattress. We will be one of the only brands in the industry with a 60 by 80 Murphy bed. Next thing I want to talk about, you guys, is the storage in this unit. We talked about the pull-out drawers underneath the sofa, big time advantage. We already had great bedroom storage in Surveyors. Believe it or not, it got better. We increased our wardrobe height. Ton of storage in here, you guys. You can actually put hanging clothes in here. Incredible storage. We've got pull-out drawers. And one thing I really want you to notice here is the increased cubby storage. We've got shelves. We've got really deep storage. We've got power outlets back there just like we did before. We've got an access panel so you can access underneath for additional storage. Incredible storage in here, you guys. It's going to be big time. Amazing selling advantage. Biggest Murphy bed in the industry. Best bedroom storage in the industry. Now let me show you guys how to put this bed up and down. It's very easy to do. Extremely lightweight. Release the safety latch. You can literally lift this bed up with a couple of fingers. You've got the latch here. Latches into place. I want to show you guys some great interior features of this floor plan. I'm going to start with the TV. This is on a swing arm bracket, you guys. Why is that important? You can see it directly from your sofa, your sleeping area. Not only that, you can turn it very easily, and now it's directly across from your dinette. Let's walk over here. A couple things I want to show you in the dinette area. You guys, very important to point out, this is an oversized U-shaped dinette. A ton of seating capacity here. Not only that, you guys, look at the overhead storage up here. At this price point, in this small of a trailer, most brands are not going the extra mile and putting this overhead storage in here. This is a big time Surveyor advantage. Don't miss out on this, you guys. Big time advantage for us. Let's walk over here and look at another trademark feature of Surveyor, the central trash system. You guys, this is very easy to access the trash from the other side. It keeps your trash out of the way. We've got a nice countertop cover for it here. Matches the countertop. Not only that, you guys, it gives you a lot of extra counter space here. While we're over here, I want to show you one more thing. Keep in mind, guys, this is a bunkhouse, so there's not a lot of privacy in this unit. What we did was put a privacy curtain up. So at night, when the parents are in the bedroom, the kids are over here, you've got some nice privacy, some nice separation in this floor plan. The next thing I want to show you is the bunk room. Pay attention to this. Oversized double bunks. Very important, guys. Other brands building floor plans that are similar to this are doing single bunks. Not a lot of guys are doing double bunks. Big time selling advantage. Also, don't miss this. 300-pound bunk bed capacity. What's that mean? That means it's built for 2 kids to be able to sleep on, you guys. Big time selling advantage. What I want to show you too here is the additional storage we put underneath. A ton of storage under here, you guys. Not a lot of brands offering that additional storage. A lot of people panel that off. We left it open. A lot of storage in here. But again, oversized double bunks. I can't stress that enough. We went the extra mile, put the bigger bunks in. Big time selling advantage for Surveyor. Now, guys, keep in mind, this is a 26-foot travel trailer. It's a small floor plan. But here's the great thing. We can sleep up to 8 people in this unit. It's incredible for a floor plan that's 26 foot. You've got up to 4 kids in the bunk beds, 2 people in the bed, and you've got this dinette, very easy to convert to a sleeping space. 2 more people for a total of 8. Incredible amount of sleeping space. We already talked about the seating capacity. You guys, for a unit that's this small, we've got a ton of space in here, a ton of storage. Let me also show you the pantry. Like we said, Surveyor's got some of the best storage in the industry. Bedroom storage, kitchen storage. Big time selling advantage for us, you guys. Alright, next I'm going to show you the bathroom. What I want you guys to pay attention to, what we did in here, every chance we got, we added more counter space. As you guys know, one of the things that really sells trailers when it comes to bathrooms is additional counter space. We added additional counter space. We added additional storage where we could. You guys asked for it. We gave it to you. This is a very exciting floor plan. It's packed with a ton of great features. We just completed our walk around of the 240 BHLE. I just want to recap everything we've seen here today. You guys, I cannot stress enough, this is going to be a top selling floor plan. This is not something you want to miss out on. Again, under 5,000 pounds dry weight, under 26 foot overall length, a ton of selling features in this floor plan. Let's recap it real quick. 50 cubic foot of pass-through storage, going to be some of the best in the industry, no doubt about it. 60 by 80 residential queen mattress. Guys, there's not going to be a lot of people out there doing 60 by 80 beds in a Murphy bed. This is going to be a big time selling advantage for us. Tons of seating space. You can sleep up to 8 people if you need to. A lot of counter space. Bathroom storage. Storage underneath the sofa. Again, not a lot of people doing it. Best bedroom storage in the industry. Increased cubby holes. Increased wardrobes. Again, guys, please do not miss out on this floor plan. It's going to be a huge hit. Thank you for everything you do for Surveyor, and thank you for your time today.